When we did a poll, the number one feeling that people reported was powerless. And that is not a good sign for a group of people trying to live in unison together. So what that tells us is that just like our own bodies, if you don't have healthy cells, you do not have a healthy body. The body can appear healthy, like some bodybuilders, and then they drop dead. But appearance does not indicate the actual health of the cells. All disease and health begins in the cells. Well, when we extrapolate that like a fractal into all of us being the building blocks of the citizen body, then we say anything that weakens the individual citizens weakens the body. And that's different than hating people that have more than you or feeling like there's class warfare. It's really linking it to our very biology and a spiritual vision that we just need a better process that organically and innately keeps things in balance.